The Raquel Welch 2024 Spring Collection is here, and I'm delighted to introduce you to all three fabulous new wigs. The designs feature soft, graceful waves, lush, freeform movement, and all the glamorous sophistication you've come to love from the Raquel Welch Signature Collection. Let's start with the longest style in the new collection, called Selfie Mode. Picture this: long layers, a delicate wave, and soft fluid movement from an undeniably romantic look. Even zoomed in, the extended lace front is beautifully undetectable, while the full monofilament top gives you a variety of styling options, making any angle your best angle. Our next style is on the cover. It's the latest trend in short. Unstructured, soft waves, and an eye-catching contoured back that hugs the head for style that's decidedly unstyled. It's casual, not coiffed, with texture that lets you make it your own. Wear it brushed softly or add some product to bring out its PC personality. Our final new spring style is Flip the Script. Forget the ordinary and expected. Today's shoulder-length butterfly cut sweeps away from the face and into a softly sculpted V-shaped feathering at the back. Our modern metamorphosis of this retro favorite has a lovely eyelash bang, an off-center parting, and a full monotop. All three new spring wigs have a full monofilament top. This gives you the luxurious benefits of styling flexibility, as well as a light, natural density. The new 2024 Spring Collection by Raquel Welch. Discover your next signature style.